There I am with my DJI Phantom 3. I did updated the firmware, removed the SD card afterwards. I did push the vision in. It looked like a sync button right here by the vision position and light there. But it doesn't seem like it's making a difference. Doesn't seem to be wanting to sync up. Flashing yellow and red lights. I know I'm not in the original zone for my to be free and clear. I'm outside the close airport zone, but the second zone. As you can see, my battery is full. I'm at 94% on the controller battery. There is a red light on there. I can't figure out how to get it to sync up. I've tried different buttons. Moving the gimbal, it doesn't control. It's like I have no controls over anything. That beeping is from the remote itself. So, Phantom 3 Professional. Anybody has any suggestions or anything how to get this going, please let me know. I did download a quick start tutorial, followed it to the T. I do have my UAS number on it. I did notice there's a USB plug, micro USB plug on the side of the device right here, and there's also one on the let me pull this up here. There's also one right here on here. So there's the lights for my board. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I had it in P mode. I was just trying to get this thing up and running. Had it 2 years and haven't ran it yet. My wife says I need to get it moving or probably get rid of it, which is probably the truth. So I need to get it up and moving. I think it ruined one battery already, and as we all know, they're not cheap.